Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Originally, I thought I was actually going to do a HIIT workout today, but I changed my mind in the last second. We are going with a single dumbbell, full body workout. I just thought, it'd be great to do something a little more rotational work, a little more real practical type of exercises that it will help out with everyday lives instead of just doing a HIIT workout. Maybe a HIIT workout next time. Let me know what you guys think about it. Leave a comment down below and I'll think about it. Before we get started, don't forget, workouts have been coming out for over 6 years right now. Every Monday and every Thursday, we have not missed an upload. So if you like to work out at least on Mondays and Thursdays, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and come back for more training. Let's get started. We're starting off with a dumbbell clean. The preview is always on my right to the left of your screen, so you can see what's going on. Single dumbbell workout today. This is great if you want to save some time or if you do not have a lot of equipment. Like I said, pick something relatively heavy. We're going to go with a clean. I want you to pick up this dumbbell. If it's relatively heavy, you can support it. Pick it up with one hand. Do not interlock your fingers. Support it with the other hand, and we're just going to bring it over and rest it onto our shoulders. Let's do 10 repetitions per side. We're doing for 2 sets per exercise. If you need more than that, come back to the exercise, do the workout again. So you guys ready to go? And 3, 2, 1, support and up. That's all we're doing. 1, 2. We're going for 10 repetitions per side. 4, 5. Quick movement. 6. One motion. Explode up. 7, 8, 9. One more. And 10. Put the dumbbell down, I should say. English, Paul. Come on. Here we go. And onto the other side. Same thing. Grab the dumbbell. Support it with the other hand if you have to. And onto your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 more. Ready? 1 and 2. Set number 1 down. Like I said, we're going for 2 sets. So this is meant to be an explosive movement. So I want you guys to really explode that dumbbell up and come up as quickly as possible. That's the goal here. So we did 10 reps. I feel like I can do 12 in the next set. So that's what I'm going to go for. I'll give you plenty of time after this set. If you're doing for 15 or 20, you should be able to finish and still have a good breather. Having said that, you guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Grab that dumbbell and let's go for 12. 1, 2. Nice smooth motion. Ready? 3, 4, 5. Halfway there. Keep it up. 2, 3. 3 more. 1, 2. 1 more. And 3. Put the dumbbell down. Let's take a few seconds. Gonna switch sides. All right. Few seconds are up. My left side. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5. Keep moving. 6, 7, 1, 2. We got 3 more. 2. 1 more. Boom. And down. Well, that got the heart rate moving. Got those legs involved. Got the shoulders involved. Got the back involved. We're moving right through it. All right. Now we're going to go a variation of a goblet squat once again. Preview's up on the screen. Going to pick up that dumbbell. Midway through, you're going to hop it up and switch it to a goblet position. And you're going to give me a squat. You guys ready to go? Let's do 10 or so repetitions on the first one. We see how we feel. And then we'll increase or decrease the reps on that second set. With your fingers, gonna go up, squat down, and back. You don't have to put the dumbbell down. Ready? 3, 2, 1, boom, and down. Bend down, boom. 2, 3, 4, and up. 5, 6. 4 more. 1, 2. Keep it up. 3. 1 more. And 4. And down. Whew. Take a few seconds. 1 more set. What do you guys think? 15 reps? Sounds good to me. Let's go for 15. Single dumbbell workout today. Full body. We got 5 exercises. We're on exercise number 2. Some of them take a little longer because they're unilateral, so we're going to be working one side at a time. So this workout should be about 15 minutes long by the time we're done. I presume 15 minutes long. 15, 17 minutes, no more than that. A couple times a week, you get to move that body around a little bit. All right, set number 1 done. Set number 2, 15 repetitions. You guys ready to rock and roll? If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. 1, 2. Quick switch. 3. Got to accelerate that dumbbell up. 4. 5. And 6. We have 9 left. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 left. Ready? Let's go. 1. Push it up. 2, 3, 4. 1 more. Last 1. 5. And down. All right. What takes care of those 2 exercises? 3 exercises left. Paul needs a little break. Now we're moving to rows. So no bench, no other equipment today aside from this dumbbell. A lot of times some of these exercises like to use a bench. Today we're showing you that you get a nice workout done with just 1 single heavy dumbbell. Remember, the heaviest weight you can handle safely, that's what I want you to do for about 10 to 15 repetitions. So on this row, you're gonna support yourself. 3 hands on your leg. You're gonna grab that dumbbell and come across your body and bring it up and back down. Nice and controlled. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Support and bring it up. 1. Across. 2. Pull it back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Feel nice stretch. And 10. And switch sides. Stagger those legs a little bit. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. And relax. All right. With this weight, I am good for 15 on the next set. So that's what I'm going to go for. Obviously, you do whatever you need to do. All right, a little more breathing. Remember, always control the weight. Even if we're moving quickly, you should be controlling the weight. It should not be controlling you. I never want you falling to the ground, hurting yourself or anything like that. We're doing this to stay healthy, not to push and see how much weight we can do. All right, enough talking. Set number 2 coming up. Stagger stance, cross the body, and let's go. 1, going for 15, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more, 4 more, 3, 2, and 1. And right away, stagger the other way, and let's go for 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whew. And the back and the biceps are taken care of. That's what we're saying right here. All right, we'll drop it on the ground for the next exercise. So get down on the ground with me. Here we go. We're gonna do single-sided floor chest presses with a hip thrust. If you want to make it easier, you thrust with both legs. If you want to make it more difficult, you press and thrust with one leg on the same side. For the first set, I'm going to do it with both legs. Second set, we're going to push it a little bit and do single sides. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and same motion. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Squeeze those glutes. 10. Let's do 2 more. 1 and 2. Bring the dumbbell over to the other side. Carefully, do not drop it. And let's get the other side going. Same, both legs. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2. Keep it up. 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Switch sides. We'll take a little breather. Put the dumbbell down slowly. Relax a little bit. So now, if you can, go do a hip thrust, but only one leg is working. The other one, you don't have to put any force behind it, or just lift it off the ground just a little bit. Put all the pressure on this one leg. My working leg and my dumbbell raise or press will be on the same side, all right? So it makes it a little less difficult because all the weight's on the same side, but you still have to balance. For me, it's a little less difficult. Everybody's a little different. Some people don't have a good cross balance. Some people do. For me, I'm doing this on the same side. So as I'm lifted with my right side, my left leg is up in the air, and I'm going to do a lift on the same side. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it up. 8, 9. Going for 12, 10. 2 more. 1 and 2. Carefully bring the dumbbell over to the other side. Give yourselves a 5-second breather. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get ready. Right leg up in the air. Press on the left side. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 4. Keep it up. 1, 6. Halfway there. 1, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1 and 2. And we are done. Nice. Very nice. Little bit of chest, little bit of glutes. 1 exercise left. All right, here we go. This one, very similar to the row that we did. However, this time I'm going to work the shoulder and the traps. So you're not going to bend down as far. Just going to bring the dumbbell all the way up. All right? 2 sets per side. Remember, if that weighs a little bit heavy, just do less repetitions. Keep it under control. We're using the same weight for all the exercises. I am out of breath. How are you guys doing? All right. Stagger, come across, stagger those feet. And we're just going to drive it up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, keep it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, keep it up. 9, I'm just going to 10. Switch sides. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 more. And 10. Dumbbell down. All right, 1 set left. We'll have taken care of the entire body. Relatively short workout. Hope you guys had a good time. I'm having a good time. This is fun. I love home workouts. I do a lot of, kind of like standard type of work too, bench press, whatever, deadlifts and things like that. Whenever I incorporate any of these moves, I always ask myself, why don't I do this more often on my own? And I have no idea. I still have to convince myself to do these. These are really enjoyable and really effective. Set number 2. Last one. Let's make it a good one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and come on. 1. Keep going. 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9. I'm going to go for 12. 1, 11. One more. And 12. Switch sides. 12 repetitions. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Little drive with the legs. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1 and 2. Nice upright rows. Very active upright rows. All right, guys. That was it. I got to catch my breath. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Workouts every Monday and every Thursday. Today was our full body single dumbbell workout with no other equipment. Once again, thanks for joining me today. Make sure you come back for more workouts, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.